Mr. Singhania, congratulations. It's a big day for you. New plant at Amravati. And
Thank you.
You know, started it on time as well when you announced it. Talk to us about it. How much have you put in terms of Capex? What will be manufactured here?
So this is a facility that we decided in the Make in India in 2016 to put up. In April 2016, we did the Bhumi Pujan here to set up a first phase of the linen plant. This is a linen plant that will make about 4.8 million meters of fabric in phase one, and the total investment is about 250 crores. It'll be world-class linen fabrics that will not only be supplying to the Raymond brand, but other domestic and international customers as well.
Great. So talk to us about by when would you actually start seeing the contribution from this plant in your financials, and do you have potential to expand further here? Is this you just indicated it is just the first phase?
Yeah, so I mean, as soon as the plant starts stabilizing, we should see good contributions from this plant, and we are in line with our projections. Also, this is phase one. You know, you always set up a phase one, and there's a, like I showed you on the map, there's a place for expansion of line 2, which can easily double the capacity in the medium to short term.
So your stock price is at lifetime highs. The shareholders are very happy the way things are panning out. What's the outlook? How's the garmenting, textile, all the segments of your business panning out? If one were to talk about 1 to 2 year time frame.
Well, I've always been very bullish on India. I think we're in the right country at the right place at the right time with the right leadership. I think India is a place where things are happening. We have seen short-term, I would say setbacks, what people call it. I would say long-term great reforms. These are iconic. These are going to be path-breaking in terms of the future of India. So, having said that, I think quarter on quarter, you've seen the last 9 quarters of Raymond, the performance has steadily increased. And I think because the performance has improved, you're seeing a correlation to the stock price. As a company, we want to do the right thing. We are focused on doing the right thing. And one of the things that's at the core and at the heart of this organization today, for reasons I've explained to you earlier on your own interviews, is that we want to create exponential shareholder value. And by doing the right thing, I think that will happen. So we're more focused on doing the right thing. What's good for the company is obviously good for the employees and good for the shareholders.
Right. Even on the FMCG side of the business, recently there have been developments, and talk to us about what's the vision there. What is the potential as a one segment of the business? What can it become next 3-4 years?
Well, I think the FMCG business in this country has got a huge potential. We have a very large middle class that wants FMCG products. And the more exposure that they see on media, whether it's shows, programs, there is a desire for these kind of products. We have the strong brands. So if you see in our FMCG business, bulk of it is between Park Avenue and Kama Sutra. I'll give you a very interesting example. Kama Sutra was started as a prophylactic company, and today the sales of the FMCG products in the Kama Sutra brand are far higher than the prophylactics. Having said that, you're in a very unique position because none of your competition that does FMCG products can really go out there and launch a condom. So it's a huge opportunity at one level. What else can Kama Sutra expand into? Very strong brand name. How much can the Park Avenue brand grow? Because it's already in the apparel space. So I think these are big opportunities. We have other brands. How can we skin them? What can we do with them?
So we've also seen that the margins for your company have been steadily going higher. Even the quarter gone by, we saw better than expected margins, and the street really cheered that. What kind of steps you are taking, measures to increase efficiencies, cut costs, and do you see scope for double-digit margins as well?
Well, I think certainly the double-digit margin is, of course, the short-term to medium-term goal. There are little steps. I don't think, you know, like in Marathi we say, "Boon boon se ghada bharta hai." So every little step adds, and so long as there's a focus and a clear mindset of what we want to do, I think you'll start seeing results.
One more interesting thing I picked up, that you're also launching a residential township near in Ratnagiri along this plant. And
so let's not confuse it. It's not in Thana that you're talking about. You're talking about
sure,
here in Amravati, because I want to be very candid on what you're talking about. Yes, I think in Amravati, what we've done is we set up the plant. Raymond was the first textile plant here in this. And after we came here, a lot more manufacturing facilities have come up and the textile plant park is actually sold out. I genuinely believe that people who work in our factories should have a good quality of life. And historically what we did was we built residential townships for only our employees. I believe that our employees should live in a, I would use the word public township, where they get a chance to interact with other people as well. And as the more you interact with other people, the more ideas you get, the better quality is your life. And in keeping that in mind, we decided to develop a small township here of 200 homes in phase 1. And as this area develops, the master plan is to do 2,000 homes. If you're able to do that with a clubhouse, and we also announced that we should set up a school here because education is a key part to life. Any employee looks to get good quality education for his children and then decides where he's going to get his job. And can this become the complete place to live? So good education, a good supermarket, good shopping, good entertainment, a little bit of lifestyle, a small community in which people can live and have a lifestyle and be happy. I think philosophically is something and a good space to be in.
So is this the model you will all in likelihood adopt in Thane as well, mixed development where complete...
Good question, but you know I'm not commenting on Thane.
I'm sure. Okay, fine. I will not probe you there. But just leave us with some indication. What are the top couple of things right now on your agenda for the company's growth, which you are specifically undertaking?
I think there's only one bottom line. If you had to actually pin me down to just one thing, I think we want to see exponential shareholder value creation. And that's become a mantra within the organization. And from that, everything else we do will stem. And whatever we do will be to drive shareholder value creation. At the end of the day, the business is there to make money. And there's nothing wrong in making money, so long as you keep doing it in the right way, and then you use that money to make more money and do better jobs and create a better organization.
Right. All right, Mr. Singhania, I know you have a busy day ahead. I'll let you go on that one. Thank you so much for chatting with us today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.